2015 Tier 1 Baseball, full case PYT number 39. Let's see who gets that mystery box. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that 7 ball dropping it. Oh. 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 Box 24. All right, sounds good, Nick. Nasty Nick. You're just turned into a mystery box. You did not, Chris. You did not. 24. Look at that memory. Look at that memory. Twomsley, 4. Nick, you get 2014 Crown Royal Football, 2014 Prism Draft Picks, and 2014 Bowman Sterling Baseball Box. Nasty mystery box. And here be a look at your squads. $39 Motorboat Jones. I missed something up. Trying to figure out how we can optimize every minute. His name is Motorboat Jones. Motorboat Jones, you scared me for a second. Everything's good? Everything great? Everything grand? Everything wonderful? What's up, Puck HD? You don't motorboat my Jones? Damn, dude. That's a little disturbing. But yeah. Yeah, there's no way around it. That's disturbing, but I like it. What up, Jay Strong? What's up, Long Commerce? Come on, Peter, how you doing, man? Oh, Kool-Aid man. Motorboat Jones, I think I just hired you as my agent. I think I just hired you. Well, okay, in life, if you try to force stuff, it doesn't happen. You just gotta let it come, dude. You just gotta let it come. ScoMo is actually moving into his place down here right now, Nick. I think his first day at the office is going to be Monday. Him and his wife are getting settled in at their new place. I did just say you gotta let it come. Yes, we hired him. The ScoMo is officially going to be part of Ripping Wax. Birdman. A lot of females also share the same same opinion that you have. Oh my goodness, No Stick comes in firing venom. Firing venom. What's up, Stick? No, we got the shipping department down pretty decent. Pretty decent. Listen there, I got that on lock. Fire Bates. Damn. Dylan Bateson to 349. Number to 149, Ryan Zimmerman. Number to 199, Carlton Fisk. Fire Kelp. Hey, buddy. Number 349, Sean Doolittle. Number to 25, Edgar Martinez. Number to 399, Derek Jeter. Oh, apparently somebody is stealth watching me. Everybody say hi, Dana. Kenny's Vargas, number to 399. Number to 25, Wade Boggs. Number to 399, Mookie Betts. No Stick is the only one showing love to my wife. Man, heartbroken I am. To 399, Alcantara. Alcantara's really not that hot. Let's see. No Stick, you just picked up some love, man. You just picked up some love. What's up, Geek? Number to 25, Koji Ihara. Number to 25, Cal Ripken Jr. Number to 50, Randy Johnson. Number to 199, Chris Archer for the Rays. Number to 299, El Duque. Number to 399, Alan Craig. Number to 349, Jock Peterson. Number to 399, Vinny Castillo. Number to 99, Frank Robinson. How many home runs is Jock up to? To 25, Ruby De La Rosa. Twomsley? Wow. Matt Adams for the Cardinals, number to 99. And to 99, Ernie Banks. To 199, Corey Kluber. To 149, Dale Murphy. To 399, Jay Hay. Oh, by the way, Stick, there's a tech war in the store. Just throwing that out there. And there is a tech case in the mystery boxes, Stick. A tech case. To 349, Daniel Norris. Number to 10, Adrian Gonzalez. Number to 50, Chris Davis. To 199, Tony Gwynn. Number to 349, Henderson Alvarez. Number to 399, Chris Johnson. Number to 399, Prince Fielder. Number to 349, Miguel Franco. Number to 399, Brandon Moss. What's up, Echo? Number to 199, Freddie Freeman. I mean, didn't he already spike like crazy, though, tripped up? To 25, Jorge Soler. To 399, Cliff Floyd. I thought he did. Maybe I was wrong. 399, Jacob DeGrom. And 199, Wade Boggs. And that was the break, guys. Thanks, everybody. I do appreciate it.